Algebra 2, this is Chapter 4, Section 6. This is video 2 of 4 of the series. We're going to use Cramer's rule in this one to solve two equations with two unknowns. The last video showed you where the formulas came from. Now I'm going to actually use them. So I'm going to take, and my A is whatever's being multiplied by my X, so that's my 5. And my C is whatever's being multiplied by my X, which is my 2. Okay, my B is this 7 here, my D is this 5, this negative 5 actually, and E and F happen to both be 13 in this case. So let me write them into my formula. So let me grab a black pen. So X is going to be equal to, and I've got my two determinants, and let me grab my green. So my E and my F are my solutions, and whenever I'm solving for X, I put my solutions in the X spot, which would be this first spot. So I'm going to put a 13 here and a 13 here. And then my Y's, my B and my D, my B and my D and my Y's. So I'm going to put my 7 and my negative 5 there. Then I'm going to go to the denominator, and this is my X's, right? My AC is my X's, so that's 5, 2. And the B, D are the Y's again. And so that is going to be the 7, negative 5. Then I'm ready to solve my matrix, or my determinants. So I multiply my diagonals and subtract. So this is 13 times negative 5, which would be equal to a negative 50, 65, negative 65. And 13 times 7, 70, 80, 92. So that's minus 92. Right. That's 92 up here, coming that way. And on this one, we're going to multiply 5 times 5 is 25, so it's a negative 25 here. Minus 7 times 2 is 14. Needed just a little bit of room, so I moved those over real quick. So then I can pull that across. So this is going to be 7. 9 and 5 is 15. So negative 157. And this is going to be a negative 39. And I got a minor mistake here. This should be a 6 right here. Because that should have been a 1 right there. That's a 1. Okay. And then when you reduce that, two negatives make a positive, and that actually does divide evenly, and you end up with this being a 4. Then we're ready to do the Y's. So Y is equal to, and we'll put our two determinants here. Let me grab some colors. So I'm going to have, I want Y, so my X's stay. So let me grab my A and my C. My A and my C, right, are the 5 and the 2. So the 5 and the 2 go here, and the 5 and the 2 go here. And then I need my Y. I'm solving for Y, so I put my solution in for Y. My solutions are the 13, 13. And then my normal Y's are the 7 and the negative 5. So I put my 7 and my negative 5 down here. And we already know the bottom because we just did the bottom. It's the exact same as it was before. So the bottom is going to be equal to a negative 39. So then the top's 2 times 13 is a 26. And 5 times 13 is a 65. And so it's going to be 65 minus 26. And 65 minus 26 is 39, so it's positive 39 over negative 39, so it's a negative 1. And our solution is a point. Remember this, when you have two equations with two unknowns, we're talking about two lines being graphed. And so our solution is the point 4, negative 1. That's where those two lines cross.